Online shopping by the mentors. Goals. At the completion of this lesson, the participant will know shopping techniques, know how to order delivery items, and understand safety when ordering online. Online shopping techniques. Shopping online can be done by going directly to a company's website or doing a search to find an item. To shop directly from a store website, go to the store's website, example, Amazon.com. In the search bar, type in the item you wish to purchase. A list of available items will come up. Choose the item you wish to buy. Click Add to Cart. To complete the order, click a button marked Cart. It may be a picture of a shopping cart, and enter a credit card and shipping information.
To do an online search to find an item, go to www.google.com, then select Shopping from the top. In the search bar, type in the item you are looking to buy. A list of items with stores that have active order offers will show up. Select the company that has the item you wish to purchase. Make sure it's a safe company. To do an online search to find an item, the company website will open and you read more about the item. Check out specifications and when ready to click Add to Cart. To complete the order, click a button marked Cart, maybe a picture of a shopping cart, and enter credit card and shipping information. An online shopping site should not ask for extra personal information. If more information is requested, stop the sale. It may be a scam. Look for a safe company to buy from. Local stores that offer online shopping. Walmart, JCPenney, Macy's, Kmart, Best Buys, Boscov, Home Depot, Amazon, Target, Nordstrom, Kohl's, Food Lion, Sears, Barnes & Noble. Facebook Marketplace. What is Facebook Marketplace? Marketplace is a convenient destination for people to discover, buy, and sell items. People can find what they're looking for by filtering their results by location, category, and price. By listing on Marketplace, you can reach buyers where they already are.
How to use Facebook Marketplace. Marketplace opens with photos and items that people near you have listed for sale. To find something specific, search at the top and filter your results by location, category, or price. You can also browse what's available in a variety of categories such as household, electronics, and apparel. Use the built-in location tool to adjust the region you're looking in or switch to a different city altogether. How to buy something. Decided that you want it? Send the seller a direct message from Marketplace to tell them you're interested and make an offer. From that point on, you and the seller can work out the details in any way you choose. Facebook does not facilitate in the payment or delivery of items in Marketplace. How to sell something. To sell something on Marketplace, first open Marketplace, find what you are selling, take a photo of your item or add it from your camera roll. Enter the product name, description, and price. Confirm your location and select a category. Post. Online grocery store shopping. Some grocery stores offer online ordering for food with delivery to your home or store pickup. To shop online for store pickup, go to the website of the store you want to make a purchase from. Click the link for pickup and delivery. Set up an account. If you don't have one, use the search bar to look for items to buy.
Online grocery shopping. Click on the item to purchase to read more details and click Add to Cart to purchase. Once all selections have been made, click Checkout to enter payment. Details, select delivery or pickup. For delivery, select a date and a time available options. Notice any differences in delivery fees based on dates. For pickup, select the store date and time. Online grocery shopping. Enter payment information to complete the purchase, credit, debit, or checking account. After purchase is made, you may get a confirmation number or email with details about the online shopping purchase. Note, some grocery stores will accept EBT as a payment option. If available, enter the numbers on the EBT card and proceed with the transaction. Local stores that offer online grocery/pickup. Walmart, Whole Foods, Target, Amazon, Safeway, Costco, 7 Mile Market, Harris Teeter, Giant, and Food Lion. Safety tips. Do not shop online in public places, such as libraries, hotels, or cafes, because they have unsecure Wi-Fi and it can leave you open for scammers to get your information. And always use secure connection to place orders. Only order from trusted companies like Amazon, Target, and Walmart. Trusted companies are secure and safe for shopping. These companies usually have their names in the web address. Make sure that the web address on the page begins with HTTPS, not HTTP. The S at the end means that the website is secure and encrypted to protect your information. Some more safety tips are, if an item is on sale online and it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Offers for extremely low prices and unusual payment methods can be assigned as scammers trying to get your account information. And make sure to use strong passwords for websites where you will shop online. A strong password has a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. These make it hard for scammers to guess. And avoid using debit cards or checks to make online purchases. Major credit card and PayPal are more secure and have consumer protection for online purchases. And be sure to log out and after making an online purchase. Many stores will store your bank information. If you don't log out, someone can go in and buy something using your banking account. Thank you for your time.